Yo, morning everybody. It is a Saturday. What am I up to today? I'm actually going over to Taupo for an event today. So Tyre Streets invited me to go and watch the LZ Worldtour. Big drift event over at, in Taupo today and tomorrow as well. Before we start, I need food. But yeah. Alright, that's done. It's time to go. And let's go to Taupo. Shit. Yo, what up guys? Just pulling in and could smell like burning tires from far away, and holy shit, the Hyper's sitting in now. Bruh, look at all the smoke from the cars, bro. I'm just getting in now. Hopefully we can get a good park. But god damn. First time drift eventing, whānau. Let's go. Well, after a couple detours, I finally got me a parking. I've decided to park a bit far away. I thought we had a VIP pass. Had the GA. So, yeah. Got me a nice park. It's a bit far away, but I'd rather get out easily than, you know, muck around and take ages just to get out. So we're going to go in. There's a bit of a line. And yeah, we'll see how we go, see how long it takes us to get in. So it is currently, the time is 11:35, and we'll time to see how long it takes me to get in there. Cheer. Bro, that line is hearty. But I mean, it is a big event, and you know, drifting is pretty cool to come and watch. But I'm a patient man, but I don't know if I'm that patient to wait on the line. So I'm back in my car, just chilling out, and then I'll wait. Hopefully the line goes down, and then can make our way in. We'll see how it goes. I'll keep you posted. Yeah, I haven't gotten in yet. Damn. Sure. Well, we're finally going in. The line was all the way down there to about down there. So I just went to go and chill in the car and have a bit of a nap. Now we can go in. I think they're waiting for me at the gate, so let's see how we go. Sure.
But we want to see some action there, so who's ready to see these four boys throw down? Give us some noise, New Zealand! Alright, so we're going to hand you back up to the tower, to Steve and to Jacob. We're going to jump in the cars, and we're ready to send them from the start line. Guys, one more time before we hit, make some noise! The amount of rotaries that are out there, RVs that are out there. I mean, it was interesting last night in town. I feel like it's taken over the entire town. So we're running around the whole event, like, you want to go for a little while. I mean, it was kind of crazy. What diesel did they run at?
Bro, this event is crazy, bro. So we're just gonna go for a walk now and check everything out. There's a lot of cars here too, like heaps.
Anyways, moving on to our next driver here, Jordan Joyce. Jordan Joyce from the NZKW 14. Another one of our New Zealand captains.
Yeah, I'm gonna cruise around for a little bit and see what I can find.
Yeah. Want to bring the nose that car down to that big switch on the outside zone. Powering out through, comes through to finish. Wow. Good way to kick it off. Great way to kick it off. Yeah, Jared, was an amazing lead. It looked like Jake's actually struggling to keep up just a little bit, but able to still keep it, you know, with strange builds. The strange engine builds. Yeah, definitely a lot of strange engine builds. So we're going to get that swap around and back over the line to get this battle going again as we see the drivers. A few more battles that are shining up here. So, we mentioned this before, but
we've got a randomizer of different car parts. There's even a headlight on that. We'll run up and down way inside on that of the vehicle. Once you see that
Bro, the event is going good so far. Yeah, I've just been trying to record a few drifts here and there, go cruising around and look at all the cars, and I think we're getting ready for the battle soon, so it should be pretty mean. And one of the donut vans is out on the on the racetrack right now. I'll show you. So we will lock back in and see how it goes when the battle starts. Cheers.
Because you are all here today, this weekend. And that is this man, Adam LZ, who leads the way in the 180. And he is trying to create a gap between himself and David Egan. They come through this section, get ready to switch. Out of the back, looking at the depth zone, he's going forward. And they hit out into that image. Adam LZ needs to stop the throttle, get hard on the gas. Great angle as you ooh, a nice looking one. Oh, yeah. I mean, those drivers are like RCR drivers versus former RCR drivers. Wow, that would look good. I really think we're looking left to the gun. That's just from Brody. No, Brody's trying to tuck in. Across to the back, over down one guy still is ready to the front, the other one in the loose position. He loves so much. There's something coming out here. Now he's got a that was the left foot brake I've ever seen, or there was something going on. It didn't look like the smoke was coming out of the fire though. It looked like it was coming off the brake caliper. Guy Maxwell inspecting. Fire authority Maxwell. Replays,
this next car coming up, it's I think it's an S14 Boss.
They have a brilliant guy Maxwell standing majestically.
Similar to the Bro Hossi Lala's car, and it's one of the ones I'm supporting along with Samet, who's actually over here. So that's Samet's car over there.
The judges are taking a look back. They're giving it a good look to understand like who might be at fault here. Was this
yeah, this next race is this next battle is the S14 that I've been watching. I don't know who the driver is, but I'm just supporting it because I think that car looks sick too. I would like the all-round shape of the S14 Boss as well. Yeah, trying to talk car. But yeah, tune in and we're gonna watch the next one. Hey, 71! Hey, W-Man!
Get a quick break. I can translate it through. They kick that Lexus into life. It was twin turbo. You hear the scream of what is now a naturally aspirated. Tony as well, as they come through and try and close up the drivers against each other. So close through. So that is the first half of the battle. They make their way around Brown in the lead position this time for the second half as he'll get that S. A little bit shallow as he starts his entry. You can see Darren trying to close up the gap. Jason's just back to speed of this curve. I don't know which car will pull that out. Riding away with it at the moment. Darren is trying to close it up. The shallower line is not making it there. As Jason powers through and comes just on the rough one. Very good. From the first bit, it seemed like Jim really got the jump on that.
Right, look at that car, bro.
For a bit of a loop there, and right in that same position where we see it. James able in the second outside zone. Looks like we do have a winner, and that winner is going to be moving on. So really
Hey, there's 14. Let's go.
wound out actually activated.
True, finally. Well, that's the LZ tour day 1 done for me. Actually, the only day that I'm gonna go to. But yeah, I had fun. Thank you very much to Tyre Streets for inviting me out. And it's time for me to go home. Back to my family. Man, today was cool. I enjoyed the whole event. Got so busy. And even got noticed by a few people as well, which was, you know, nothing I expect really at these kind of events. But cheer, whānau. Have a good one. And I hope you enjoyed it. Cheer.